It's almost 5:30. Welcome back into 13 News at 5. Indiana lawmakers could be within 24 hours of deciding the state's budget for the next 2 years.
Republican leaders in the House and the Senate released their version of the budget just this afternoon. So now that it's been released, it has to sit 24 hours before any action can be taken on it.
13 News State House reporter Emily Longnecker is here with some of the highlights. Emily.
Well, Republicans call this budget fiscally responsible, while Democrats say it woefully underfunds Hoosier's health and will be devastating for public schools. House Democratic Representative Greg Porter likened the Republican version of the budget to bland food.
It's kind of seasoned a little bit. You're going to give you this, this food that it's bland, but we're going to give you a little bit so you can swallow it. But Democrats are not going to swallow this.
Porter called Republicans' expansion of school vouchers despicable, saying it will take away money from public schools. Close to half of the state's $44.5 billion budget goes to K-12 education. This budget has $2 billion more for K-12 funding than the last one. It nearly doubles the amount the state will spend on the school choice program, which gives families vouchers if they want to send their kids to private schools. Republican leaders said the state's projected $1.5 billion in extra revenue gave them extra flexibility.
Our caucus, though, is supportive of parental choice in schools and always has been, and probably will continue to be as we try to continue to move our state forward and improve our education.
The budget laid out by Republicans Wednesday also includes $160 million of state money to cover the cost of students' textbooks. It also calls for $100 million in state money split evenly over the next 2 years to help overhaul the state's mental health care system. Republicans called it a good start.
I will acknowledge more need than $50 million and $50 million, probably, but what can they begin to spend as they develop these programs and what can be useful for them?
In his version of the budget, Governor Eric Holcomb requested $350 million for public health programs to get Hoosiers healthier. Republicans allocated $225 million to those measures.
We felt like this was an appropriate number to see what what the outcomes are, and we can measure the success of the programs.
Democrats called that a start.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a $1.5 billion over our revenue forecast, and we can't fund public health at the rate or anything like that for people. It's not sensible at this point.
The budget has to sit for 24 hours before any action could be taken on it, but we could see lawmakers voting as soon as tomorrow. But clearly Democrats not happy with this version. At the State House, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.
Lots of sunshine today, and we're close to 60 degrees.